In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a database in Notion using this simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Notion is a versatile tool, perfect for organizing and managing information with ease. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create a database that suits your needs, whether it's for personal use or for a team project. To get started, once you're logged into your Notion account, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the plus New Page option in the sidebar. This step creates a fresh canvas for your database. Think of it like opening a new notebook. It's all blank now, but soon to be filled with customized content tailored just for you. Next, once your new page is open, you need to choose the type of database you want to create. Notion gives you a variety of options tailored to different needs, ranging from creating a simple table to more complex structures, like a calendar. It's important to consider what suits your workflow best. For instance, a table is straightforward and great for structured data, while a kanban board is excellent for tracking projects visually. After deciding on the type of database, select the format that fits. Notion provides options such as table, board, list, and a few others. Each format offers a unique way to visualize and interact with your data. If you're new to Notion, starting with a simple table might be a good idea as it's user-friendly and versatile. If you're working on a project, a board can help you move tasks between different stages, providing a clear overview of progress. Now that you've selected your preferred database format, it's time to add properties and entries. Think of properties as the columns in a spreadsheet. They define the type of data each entry holds. You can include properties like text, numbers, dates, tags, and more, allowing for detailed data categorization. Don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. Notion allows you to edit and adjust as you figure out what works best for you. To populate your database, start adding entries, which are akin to the rows in a spreadsheet. These can be tasks, items, or any data point you need to track. If you're setting up a task manager, for instance, entries would be individual tasks, and properties could include deadline, priority level, and assigned team member. As you begin adding more entries, play around with sorting and filtering options to keep your data organized and accessible. This customization not only helps in maintaining a neat database, but also enhances productivity by allowing you to focus on what matters most anytime you log in. And there you have it, your own customized database in Notion. Feel free to experiment with different layouts and properties until you find what suits your workflow best. As you become more comfortable, you can dive into more advanced features to further optimize your database. Thank you for watching, and happy Notion creating!